Epilogue. What is an epilogue? Epilogue is generally used in a drama by a dramatist, and it is always used in the end of a play. Means we can say that it is the final section of a speech, as there are 5 acts in a drama or 3 acts in a drama. And what happens that in the end of a play there comes an actor before the audience of or before the readers, and generally what happens that the actor may be an imaginary character, or that person who comes on the stage in the end of the drama may be the dramatist or the writer himself. He himself comes on the stage and he joining his hands, he asks for the pardon, and he asks even the critics also to sympathize his play, and to criticize his play not bitterly. And he also, whatever message he has given through his drama, he asks his readers or his audiences to get that message seriously or to think over that story, whatever his purpose had been throughout the drama. So now it depends on the mood of the dramatist whether he himself likes to come on the stage in the end of the play, or he makes one of his character his mouthpiece. Means through an actor he can present his views. So that epilogue sometimes it becomes very important, because if a dramatist is going to provide such a theme that cannot be understood by audiences, or an offensive theme, so in the end he just takes the advantage to add this epilogue, because through this epilogue he can get a lot of things appraise, or we can say that he can get appreciation from his audiences or from his readers, and for that purpose this epilogue is always added in a drama. So epilogue is the final section. Okay, it is final section means when the story comes to an end, then at that moment it is added. The final section of a speech means after epilogue there is nothing to be performed on the stage, or we can say that now the play completely ends after this. So the final section of a speech, and it is also called the peroration. Second one is the conclusion. We can say that epilogue is a conclusion of a fable, of a story, of a narration, of a drama. So you can say that epilogue is the final section of a speech, or you can say that it is the conclusion of a story, of a fable, where the moral is pointed. Now the message, any kind of moral message, the purpose of the dramatist, it is pointed here, it is pointed out at the time of the conclusion or in the end of the play. And it may be also, epilogue is also a speech by an actor at the end of the play. Okay, a speech by an actor, maybe by an actor or maybe by the dramatist himself at the end, at the end after 3 acts, so after 5th act, when our drama is going to be completely ended of the play, in which the indulgence of the critics and the applause of the audiences is always sought. So the main purpose of to add epilogue is to get the appreciation from both, from the critics and from the audiences. So that was epilogue.